Hi, folks. I'm Todd, and we're making time now. What we're going to do today, I installed a backup camera on my 2020 Arctic Fox. We're getting all ready for our trip to Alaska and the final kind of preparation for it. So I'll show you how. It was pretty easy to do, and I'll show you what we did. Well, this is the backup camera that we end up purchasing. We got it on Amazon. It was only like $100. It's some knockoff China brand. It's, I don't know, Yankra or something like that. The plug here has an off switch. Just plug it in and just push that for on and off. And the base is kind of chintzy. I don't know, you just kind of bend these fenders up, little fingers here to fit your dash. But it works pretty good. I got it jammed in my one corner of my dash. And I mounted it up there. I ended up having to drill a hole into my eave trough. I wanted to put it above my awning there, but once I got it up there, it wouldn't show down below. The awning was getting in the way. And I'll show you up there what I did up there. What I did, I ended up drilling it up through the eave trough right there. I took out my tail light there, marker light, see where I can drill. Because there's a frame that goes down right below where I drilled. And I drilled it, run my cord up through, installed that light and the camera in there, put it in there. I put a black O-ring there so it wouldn't leak into the body there. And I siliconed it up, and it's a pretty gobbed up silicone job, but it's ain't leaking. It's gobbed up pretty good, but it works really good. I was surprised for what it is, and I adjust that down so I can see right down. I can see where that beam is, and that's only probably 4 feet, 5 feet behind me, and then it'll show all the way down there in the woods. I really like that. When I'm going down the road, I can know if somebody's behind me when I'm about ready to pull out, that they're not going to be pulling out the same time. That or backing out of a parking spot, because we're small enough that we can park in a regular parking spot. Now this is what the backup camera looks like inside. The sun's kind of shining down in there, giving kind of funny colors, but it's real clear. Like I said, I can see all the way down in the woods, right a couple feet right behind my bumper. I could angle that down if I wanted to. But usually I put this right over there in the corner, and I'll have my GPS up there hanging on the mirror. But when it gets dark, I'll show you what it looks at. Really good night vision on it. And it works really good. I'm really satisfied for $100. Worked pretty good, but over there it's not in my view of my vision. I can so off to the side, and I have all this opened up here. So when it gets night here, I'll show you what it looks like at night. Well, it finally got dark enough, and I'm sitting here, and while I was waiting, I decided to move it from the corner of the dash down here. And this is right beside the steering wheel and right over the instrument panel. And that way when I look over the mirror, I look back of the road, and I can just glance at it. And but it's good picture. You can see all the way down the shed, all the way down by the woods. And you look in the mirror, you can't see nothing. But when I put it in, let it get focused in there. When I put it in reverse, them new backup lights really help out. Yeah, you can see the shed down there now, real good, the woods. Them new backup lights and tail lights really made a difference. Well, like I said, you look in the mirror, You can't see nothing back there. It's dark. So I think that's where we're going to keep it, right there. Right there, right above my door post. So I think that's where it's going to stay. I'm pretty pleased with that little backup camera, and it was pretty easy to do. So if we happen to help you, like us, share us, subscribe to us, and make sure to make yourself some time now. Have a good one.